Hey traders, I focused my efforts today on Las Vegas Sands and RIM. Um, so here, yeah, basically, after reading Shoot's reply, um, I followed the support resistance route today, and earlier this morning I had identified, that this was support here, and then we had some resistance here. The support here then served as resistance, but because the market was going up today, I figured it'd probably break this resistance, and we have new buyers coming in, and this was the next area of resistance right here. But just to go over the trade a little bit, I had entered at 11:55 at 16:49, and actually, I'm sorry, I had entered at 16:49, but it wasn't a buying opportunity. It was right on this candle here, going short because I thought that it might come down because it's at resistance. So I did go short, but I did cover at 16:46 when price. My gut feeling was that price was not going to go down, so I covered. So that was for $4.20. And then because it just consolidated here, I said if price broke 1650, that I was going to get involved. On the level two, I had saw that there were about 300,000 sellers offering the stock out at 50, and price traveled down a little bit, but then it came back to 50, and then there were about 225,000 sellers offering the stock out at 50, and it went down and down, and eventually, if you watch the level two closely, I mean the offers were just getting taken up. So I had entered right before it made it to 51, and it wasn't like a spurt, a 10-cent spurt. It actually, took all the 50s, and then it came down a little bit, and I held on, and I'd gotten out at 1658 for an $8 profit, and I should have held on because really, all I had to do was really risk. Let's see, about 10 cents, 11 cents, as there was support right here. Um, and I could have made some money if I had just held on. So, risking 10 cents to make, I think it went up to 90, to make 40 cents. So, risk of one for four reward. But I didn't do that. And so those were the plays in LVS today. Um, RIM, a lot of lines here, but basically I wanted to identify all the support and resistance levels. Got a little carried away, but you need these levels to kind of understand where price may go. So um, earlier today I identified this. Price gapped up. I didn't play the first 15 minutes, but um, right here you can see that we had resistance at 60.42. That was the high in that bar, and you can see that extend back. It had served as support a couple of times, and it did crash through it in the first 15 minutes, but I didn't play it. I waited till the market settled down, and because it was an up day, well, in the first 30 minutes, because I didn't have the price action for the whole day, obviously. I was waiting to play the breakout of 1642, and I did get involved. I did play the breakout of 6042, but I just wasn't able to hold on to the stock. I was reading a little too much into the level two, and so I didn't capitalize on this position as I should have. And actually, going back here, I had identified, this level here and this level here, and I was thinking to myself that it probably could actually get to 61, 68, because it had some resistance here, and well, it didn't tag that, but close to resistance there. And that's exactly what happened. So I didn't capitalize on that position. I lost some money in RIM today, but these are the lessons that you have to learn. So tomorrow I'll be back at it again, and hopefully I'll make some money. I think I'm probably just going to concentrate my efforts on LVS and RIM, and I'll probably actually look at AIG too, because if you look back on that chart, there's a couple areas where it consolidates for a couple days. There were like two periods where it consolidated for a couple days and then it made a big move. And today we were kind of on the second day of consolidation, so tomorrow it might make a move. We'll have to see. But I think I'm going to focus my efforts on RIM because I think there's a couple good levels in here that I can make some money. So have a great night.